Keep your Greenwich, UK construction site safe with 24/7 surveillance. Joso EMAG services can ensure that your construction site is safe from thieves and vandals. The company safeguards your site by monitoring for potential criminals to stop incidents before they happen. Joso EMAG's staff consists of highly trained, CA-licensed security professionals. The diligent security guards are experts at ensuring all site access is authorized. The security officers also recognize suspicious behavior and can direct foot and vehicle traffic. Joso EMAG Services is highly committed to corporate and social responsibility as well as health and safety. The company also has a robust quality assurance system to ensure that you receive high-quality service. Joso EMAG currently offers corporate, public sector, retail, construction site, event, and property security. The company achieved CHAS accreditation and Safe Contractor status and is ISO registered to secure client data. Find out more at the link in the description.